friends, welcome to WannaBee Chef, one of our YouTube channels, and it's always good to see you all over again. And please subscribe to our link below. So today we're gonna make Asian style baby broccoli. So this is a really quick dinner. Actually, this is what I'm making for my dinner, and I only have literally 10 minutes to do it tonight. So what I had done is I had previously cut up this broccoli and peeled it. And you could use baby broccoli, you could use any broccoli of your choice. So I sliced some, what do you call, ginger, and not, I didn't slice the ginger, I just grated it on a microplane this way. Let me show you a real easy way to do it. Go this way on a microplane, and there your ginger's gone. And slice some fresh garlic in a little bit of oil, and I roasted it. And all I'm gonna do is, after I've roasted that, is turn my heat up high, and as you see, I have very little oil in there. Just about a teaspoon of oil is enough, but if you like it more, you can go ahead and add an oil of your choice. So just make sure that you add ginger and garlic as your base here. And I'm going to start throwing in my baby broccoli. So this is a very easy, quick, very easy and quick meal that can be served with rice that you've already made in my favorite appliance, the Instant Pot. And I have my stove on a high. And so any evening that you're really tight for time and you've prepped your vegetables, this is literally max 7 to 8 minutes stir fry, and with easy seasonings and ready to go, a nice nutritious meal. Today I'm adding to this some mushrooms. I am not adding tofu, but you could add tofu, you could add mushrooms. You could do this with regular broccoli, you could do this with bok choy, and you could even do it with cauliflower. So this is a real easy way to, get a meal going. So here, I'm gonna toss up the broccoli. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to taste. Okay, a little bit of black pepper. So this is definitely an easy meal on a weekday night with no stress. Just make sure you always have garlic and ginger at home and some veggies. And really, you can eat healthy, plant-based all alone, okay? So here we go. And this is also very good for like fussy kids, fussy meat eaters, because when you add the mushrooms, you get so much flavor, okay? And I love buying good quality mushrooms because what it does is it makes sure that, your dish is very tasty. So here we have the broccoli almost done. I guess it's barely been, 2 minutes and my broccoli is done. I'm gonna start adding the mushrooms. Like you see, I moved the broccoli to one side so that I can start roasting the mushrooms. And I'm using these little mushrooms that are called seafood mushroom. So I don't know, they're supposed to be like almost like seafood. So let's see how it is. I haven't really used these that often, but that's what I bought at actually a Korean store today. So that carries tons of different mushrooms. And let me show you another one that I bought today, which looks like this. This is another kind of mushroom, but I'm not using it in this dish because it's enough. Just cooking for 2 people tonight. A mushroom and broccoli, and on the side I made some stewed tofu, spicy stewed tofu. So here we go. Almost done and ready, and I'm going to start seasoning it. I already have the salt in there. I'm going to add some rice vinegar, because rice vinegar gives it that nice sweet and tangy taste. Just a bit, like a teaspoon of rice vinegar, and half a teaspoon of soy sauce, because I've already added and that's it. Look, my food, how pretty is this? I'm almost ready. My broccoli is done. I'm gonna just taste it. It's yum. And if you do like that restaurant style sweetness, you could use a sweet chili sauce or a dash of maple syrup if you like that, but I'm staying away from anything sweet. So basically this is done. I'm gonna add just a dash of sesame oil for some good flavor, and we're ready to eat this with rice. So this is even better and faster than takeout. A really simple broccoli and mushroom stir fry, and so quick and so easy and so flavorful. So enjoy this recipe. I'm gonna turn off my stove so you can hear me better. So enjoy this recipe and enjoy this basic stir fry that you can do with many, many different veggies. And it's so easy and so delicious to be served with rice or noodles, that you can do tons of different vegetables. You can do peppers, and carrots would take a little longer to cook, but you could just about do any vegetable of choice. And the basic seasoning, like I said, was a rice vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil. And if you like it sweet, add a dash of brown sugar or maple syrup, but very little. And if you like it spicy, you could add some spicy chilies or a chili sauce, or a sriracha. But it's a very simple stir fry, and it's a real good base for Asian stir fries. So enjoy this recipe, and please subscribe to our link at WannaBee Chef. And we have tons of plant-based recipes. And I hope you enjoy my channel and come back for more new and fun recipes. Bye.